In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Clickup and how to make the most out of them. Whether you're managing tasks for a small team or overseeing a large project, tags can be an incredibly useful tool to help you stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive right in so you can make your workflow more efficient. First things first, head over to the Clickup website. Simply open your browser and type in clickup.com to get started. Once you've reached the homepage, the next step is clicking on the Login button, which you can usually find in the top right corner of the screen. It's straightforward and will take you a step closer to managing your tasks with tags. Now, if you typically use Google for signing in, you can click on the Sign In with Google button. This will allow you to access your account with ease. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, it will make the process faster by displaying your accounts to choose from. Simply select the appropriate account and you'll be directed back into Clickup seamlessly. Once you're inside Clickup, you're going to want to select the task where you want to add tags. Navigate to your task list and click on the specific task you're working with. This will open up the task details, providing the control you need over its settings and properties. In the task details, you'll see an option labeled tags. It's typically visualized as an empty field, and this is where the magic happens. Click on this empty tags field. This action will ready your task to accept new tags, allowing you to organize it under various categories or priorities. To create a tag, simply type in the label or keyword that best describes your needs. It could be something like urgent, high priority, or even category specific tags like design or marketing. Once you have typed in your desired tag, all that's left to do is press enter. By doing this, you effectively add the tag to your task, making it easily searchable and categorized for future reference. That's it. Just by following these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to create and utilize tags in Clickup. These tags will become a vital part of your organizing toolkit, helping you to track and manage your projects with clarity and efficiency. Remember, the more you use tagging, the more intuitive it will become, saving you time and making your Clickup experience all the more productive. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep organizing and keep achieving those goals.